Hi guys, welcome to my new vlog. My hair is hairing. So we are here on a very short break away from the city.
With the doggos.
Where? Oh yeah. Hi doggos. So we have come to this place called Gorus Farms. It's a coffee farm and we'll be interacting with the owner as well. Tomorrow we have signed up for this coffee making, I think. It's coffee making or coffee brewing workshop. And right now we're just going on a nature trail. We actually came here, the check-in was at 11 but we reached by, I think, what time did we reach? 2:30. Yeah, 2:33 was when we reached, and we had some delicious lunch. I'll show you. I'll put the clip after this. Then we rested for a while. It was very peaceful, birds chirping, very like surrounded with nature. As you can see, there's papad, bhakri, peanut pickle maybe, salad, pitla, chicken. And this is the view with some fresh flowers. Yeah.
And me.
This is the dessert. He said it's banana flour laddu.
Wow.
So many plants. Hey doggo, why are you troubling us? Come. Beautiful. This is what I wanted. Greenery, nature, trail, and a doggo. Doggo, we are following you. Come, show us the way. He's looking back again and again, ruk ke, to see if we're still behind him. So he is actually our guide for today. यहाँ पे just यहाँ से वहाँ peacock उड़ के गया. I wish I could have captured it. We are here at the river. This doesn't look like Mulshi. Guys, if you know which is Mulshi Dam, which is not, will the real OG Mulshi Dam please stand up? This is not right. I don't think. Chikhalgaon. There's something very calming about this noise. You were singing some techno.
Funny techno.
No, it wasn't funny. Hey, that's a guy. He's the guy from our resort. We met another friend of ours. So cool. Where were you, huh? You left us on the way.
Where is
Huh? What is this, doggo? What is this? The next morning, and we're here at the food area waiting for our coffee because it's a coffee farm. So I'm especially excited to try their coffee. It's just coming. I just saw he's making it, and I just wanted to tell you a few interesting things about this place. Like yesterday, we were chatting with the founder. They're I don't know, they're a couple, but they're both farmers. Okay, and they farm coffee here, but in very limited quantities. So it's not like a mass production. So they don't mass export or sell. You know, they don't have like a cafe of their own.
farm grown coffee?
Farm grown coffee. He's a bigger coffee person than I am. I don't drink coffee on a daily basis. So what do you feel? I mean,
Light for my taste, but it is.
yeah, you drink much stronger ones.
Good flavor.
Yeah, I like it. So I think like they live the true farmer life. They They were eating at 7:30. They were eating their dinner. And then I think they were asleep by 8:30. Not like city life. And they probably must be getting up at, I don't know, 5 or 6 a.m., right?
Yeah.
Doing their farming, doing their thing. Soon after we finish our coffee and our breakfast, we have like a coffee brewing workshop where they'll tell us interesting thing and they'll teach us the process of brewing. I think that's what it is. So excited. It's freshly made burji with bread. These very cute flowers. What's that?
Check this out. Mori.
Mori?
Mohar. Mohar.
Oh. And this is?
Bharanga.
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 Bharanga. Yeah, smells so good. Chutney out of this.
This?
Yeah.
This will be
This will be sabzi and this will be chutney. Exciting. Guys, I wanted to take a moment and show you this frog. Can you see? He's chilling there the whole time, like puri raat, subah bhi yahan pe hi hai. And like we are not the kind of people who are scared of, these things, because obviously we've come to a jungle, so these things are bound to happen. But that's pretty cool, right? So that's the vibe after breakfast. Doggos are chilling. We're both working on our laptops for some time. So guys, the lunch is ready and served. This is Mora. The last clip mein dikhaya tha. Mohar, sorry. The chutney is made. This is how it looks. And this is the bharanga leaves. Just see some nice sabzi is being made. This is fresh salad for me. This is chicken sukka. Looks great. This is bengan ka bhatta, freshly made. Salad for Jay. Dal. And rotis. Yes. Thank you, the chef. The food is so fresh and so well made and very little oil. What's that?
wow. Yesterday.
Groundnut yesterday.
What?
You know how outside, like you go to a bigger hotel or a restaurant, it's very commercial. They produce all their vegetables. They make it like mass quantities, man. It's very, very oily and somehow like I'm just not a fan. And I'm so happy I found this stay option where they make such limited portions of food, because we're the only people staying, right? They only have 2 rooms and at no point do they let 2 different groups stay in both the rooms. So if one group is booking both the rooms, then yes, they allow it. Otherwise they just book 1 room at a time. So the food is produced in like smaller quantity and it's so flavorful. It's farm to table concept. They're probably growing each of the ingredients separately on their farms, which is just around. And after our lunch we are planning to go on a farm trip, so show you everything. I want you to see the flora and fauna. So interesting. And what I wanted to show is this creeper, how nicely it's growing. And like it's creeped itself into the wall. It's so nice. It just feels so good to the eyes. So much greenery. And I saw some really good like I don't know what these are called. I'll show you close up. Like cactus type, bonsai type plants, Like it's huge. I've seen these in nurseries and Juhu and Parla, but they're very tiny, and here it's so huge. Even like these, they're very like dessert style.
Low in caffeine. That's why when you had the coffee, it didn't feel like very caffeine and very kadu and all.
It was not.
So it has low content of caffeine, but you can have multiple coffee.
So that's the Arabica lighter one.
See this.
That's the passion fruit.
Coffee was roasted yesterday.
You made this machine, right? Crazy. Rooms.
Like lamp.
So interesting. It's growing on a wood.
Yeah, they eat the wood.
Okay.
So that's their
This is the papaya tree. 20 grams.
20 grams and so pour the coffee. The kind size. Good.
Okay.
This is hot water.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now we put the coffee inside.
What is that? Right, you like it?
Yeah. It's not very strong, so.
Without milk?
Okay, so we have been struggling. By the way, this is my view. So pretty. यहाँ से तो जा नहीं सकते. So then we were like, oh my god, how to go? And this one village person helped us. He's like, no, यहाँ से आगे जाओ, यहाँ पे park करो, यहाँ से चल के जाओ. And finally, we have seen. There's the waterfall that we want to go to. So we'll just walk it up. That's where we want to go. Place is called Waterfall. You can pin it on your Google Maps and somehow make your way towards. It's beautiful. There's not much crowd.
Not much. We are
We're the only people actually. The temperature is perfect. It's very, very pleasant. Like might be 23, 24 degrees. It looks like. WALEN, Wallen Lake. It's raining a little. The temperature is also a little colder. But the peace that we feel when we come here and just sit and do nothing. This should definitely be on my list. So this was the waterfall that we were supposed to go to, but actually we were on that side and there was no way to go like in the front, like this area. So we've got some fresh oranges. We have some music. Dog whistling. Got some colors, some coloring sheets. So we'll be coloring a little, like just kind of lays. There's this wine. Good ambience. It's raining. He's cooking inside. So yeah.
Here is our freshly packed kombucha.
Kombucha.
Kaskar kombucha. Wow.
Okay. This is kokum sarbat, omelette, bread, view.
Yay! With your view.
Fully ready to head to Pune. We've got to meet a few people there. And we just made an amazing pour-over coffee. I made it for the first time. How is it?
It's amazing. Too good.
Yeah. It's this Japanese, what did you say? The Japanese koji fungus coffee. This side. Enjoy. Gaurav, you've done your house really well. Minimalistic style. Or your dukaan hai if anyone wants to buy anything. What a collection. What's the menu for today?
Chicken and bhakri.
Chicken
Bhaji and bhakri.
Authentic. Kyani Bakeries walnut brownie.
Chocolate walnut cake.
So that's the end. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, share, subscribe.